Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a broken CI/CD pipeline with GitHub Actions for iOS, full guide step by step clearly. First, identify the problem within the CI/CD pipeline. Check the recent commits to see if any changes caused the failure. Review the build logs to pinpoint the exact error. Open your GitHub repository and navigate to the Actions tab. Look for the specific workflow that has failed. Click on the workflow to view the detailed logs. Examine the logs to understand where the error occurred. Take note of any specific error messages or stack traces. Next, access your project's codebase in your preferred IDE. Reproduce the error locally by running the same build commands. Verify that all dependencies are correctly installed. Check for any updated libraries or packages that may have altered functionality. If needed, update your configuration files such as the YAML file for GitHub Actions. Ensure that the correct iOS version and SDK are specified in your workflow. Add any missing environment variables in your workflow settings. Commit any changes you made to your local branch. Push these changes to the remote repository. Return to the Actions tab in GitHub to trigger a new build. Monitor the new build process to see if the issues persist. If the build succeeds, celebrate the resolution. If not, continue to analyze the build logs for further issues. Consider adding additional logging to your workflow for better debugging. Engage with the GitHub community if you need more assistance. Finally, document any findings or solutions for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.